There you go. See that? That's focus. That's a 10mm socket. Always take your negative side off first. Oh, it still wants to fight. I can't believe this. Oh, look at that. Nice and clean in there. Look at that. But then again, okay, here's the confession. I've been fighting with this thing for a while. Come on, baby, come on. There we go. And again, as you can see, nice clean. Now, what we got going on here is there a little wedge doohickey down here. That's a little bit bigger. There we go. Nice 13mm. I don't know if you can see that. Holds that little wedge right down in there. Yeah, it has a handle. Ain't that cool? Here we go. Yes, this is a Walmart battery. I got myself in a little financial fix. I corrected the situation, but, well, it's going to take a few weeks to get that money back up, but that's just how it is. All right. The tag on the top says this battery was fresh in October, or 22nd of October. So it's new. What did I do with that little wedge? There it is. Let's put the wedge back in. Oh, wedge. There you go. Okay, that little wedge down there is a very important little piece. Well, it'd help if you put the right end on it. That little wedge down there is an important piece. It holds the battery nice and snug in its compartment. So, when you're basically torturing your friends and doing donuts on an icy lake with very thin ice, You don't want the battery to slip out of a spot when you're crashing through the ice. Or you don't want the battery to slip out of a spot when you're rolling down a hill. Oh, and when I say that, wheels are optional. Only one person on this site will understand that. Ah, look at those terminals, nice and shiny. They look like chrome. Get down on there, you little chrome bastard. My door's just locked. Don't worry about this. This was accessories that I was using and no longer use. Alright. I don't know if you can see that. Let's see if we can get that right. Alright, I've got 12.4 volts on this battery. Now, everybody will tell you that this battery is ready to go right off the shelf. Well, it's been sitting there for a couple weeks. Because it's like a month later. The battery's only a month old. Yes, okay, fine. But dig it. This is This is 70% of the battery charged. I'm going to let that thing sit on the maintenance. No, I'm going to put it at 10 amps. I don't want to wait forever. Come on. And it'll charge itself up. So now you see the battery is taking in 15.6 amps. Or 15.6 volts, not amps. 15.7. So it's going to charge. So it's going to charge relatively fast. I have enough time to go get something to munch on and come back and then check on the thing. So that's what I'm going to do. Alright, it's about 4 hours later since I hooked up the battery. We are at 16 volts going in. We are at 100% charge. Doesn't even feel warm. Alright, I trust my charger. I know it'll do what it has to do. So, I know my battery is completely charged. Come on, baby, let it go. Really? Oh, just give it up. Alright, that's better. Now what's holding me up here? Well, I gotta put it in place. Okay, that's just the wire that goes to nothing. Alright, good. What did I do with those keys? There they are. Ah, the inside looks bright. Frickin' freezing out there. That's a good sign. It's working. No, that one still starts. That one still starts. That one's got a dead battery too. So, alright, I'm gonna let this thing warm up. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna cheat. Oh, you know what? Let's throw that on there. Heat. And about midway there. Okay. Remote start. Let it do its thing. Alright, well, I would take it for a shakedown and give her a good run someplace. But quite frankly, I don't got any place to go. And I don't have much money to play with. So that's what you got. One new battery, car's back up and running. I'll take it to the laundromat tomorrow and do some laundry and do some shopping and the usual routine. And then back to work on Monday. So hope everybody has a great Thanksgiving. Runaway Tracker out.